Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sync DJI Mic 2 step by step. First, power on both transmitter and receiver, then press the pairing button on each unit until the LED flashes. Watch the receiver display for a pairing confirmation icon. If pairing fails, restart both units and retry the button press sequence. Keep devices close and avoid wireless interference from Wi-Fi or Bluetooth during the process for best results. In this video, I will explain how to sync DJI Mic 2 step by step. Launch the DJI Mic app, enable Bluetooth, and select the receiver from the device list. Follow the on-screen pairing prompts and confirm when the app shows a successful connection. If the app requests a firmware update, accept it and keep the units powered until the update finishes. Finalize by testing audio levels and placement before recording. In this video, I will review how to sync DJI Mic 2 step by step. Quick recommendation. I recently switched to darn tough socks and they feel as reliable as a synced mic. They come with a lifetime warranty and are great for long shoots. If you find this guide useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to sync DJI Mic 2 step by step. Start troubleshooting by powering off and on both units and then attempt pairing again. Use a different phone or cable if the app won't detect the receiver. If issues persist, perform a factory reset on both transmitter and receiver, then redo the pairing steps. Finally, confirm firmware versions match and try a test recording to verify audio stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.